From Peter Mack, the best-selling author of The Seduction of Ayanna Cherry, comes the sexy new sequel, Ayanna Cherry and the Tabernacle Glorious. Reverend Matthias Lovejoy is all about serving the Lord, but a scheme by his head deacon to expose his secret and take over his church threatens to destroy everything he has worked for. That is, until Ayanna Cherry arrives. Ayanna's education in the power of seduction will be put to the test when she is taken in by Reverend Lovejoy and given a place to live and work at the Tabernacle Glorious. Ayanna navigates the inner sanctum of the tabernacle and its flock, which is rife with blackmail, sex, secrets, and lies. Reverend Lovejoy has plans to build the largest and grandest cathedral in the nation, but is captivated by Ayanna's seductive ploys. Meanwhile, Ayanna uses her hookup with Reverend Lovejoy as an opportunity to get her friend Peaches released from jail. After satisfying a judge's request to be sexually dominated and exposing a thieving, adulterous, blackmailing deacon, Ayanna Cherry is $500,000 richer and on her way to find love in California. Both books and the Ayanna Cherry series are available at Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, and www.PeterMackPresents.com. In author Peter Mack's second novel, The Seduction of Ayanna Cherry, young, beautiful Ayanna is thrust into a world of sexual deception and betrayal. She uses seduction to secure love, money, and power. Ayanna, who has moved in with her aunt to a wealthy Indianapolis suburb, finds that seducing a slick-talking old man is easy, but she cannot resist the temptation to blackmail her aunt's husband after discovering he's having an affair with a white woman. That's nothing compared to the scandalous escapades of her aunt or her friend Peaches, who both find themselves entangled in bizarre sexual trades and even murder. The Seduction of Ayanna Cherry is available at Amazon.com, BarnesandNoble.com, and www.PeterMackPresents.com.